Hey everyone, don't forget to subscribe because we're going on an adventure. Today, we're headed to Catalonia, to the exciting city of Barcelona. Get ready for amazing buildings, tasty food and lots of sunshine, all with some great music, of course. We'll see Gaudi's famous buildings, busy markets, and maybe even have a sangria or two. So, get ready, and let's explore the magic of Barcelona. First, we're starting with the big one, the Sagrada Familia. This iconic basilica is not just a symbol of Barcelona, but a testament to the genius of Antoni Gaudi. If you've seen any picture of Barcelona, you've probably seen this famous church. It's one of the most photographed landmarks in the world, drawing millions of visitors each year. Designed by the legendary Antoni Gaudi, this place is like a dream. Gaudi's vision was to create a structure that felt alive, and he certainly succeeded. Seriously, it has tall towers, detailed carvings, and colorful tiles that will amaze you. Each element tells a story, from the Nativity facade to the Passion facade. And guess what? It's not even finished. They've been working on it for over 100 years, and it won't be done until 2026. The ongoing construction is a testament to the dedication and vision of countless artisans and architects. But that makes it even more special, right? It's like a living piece of art. Every visit offers something new, as the basilica continues to evolve and grow. Buy your tickets online before you go. You don't want to wait in line in the hot Barcelona sun. Trust me, the lines can get really long, especially during peak tourist season. And when you're inside, look up. The ceilings are incredible, like a forest of light and color. The stained glass windows cast a mesmerizing array of colors, creating an almost otherworldly atmosphere. The interior columns are designed to look like trees, supporting the ceiling that resembles a canopy. It's a breathtaking experience that captures the essence of Gaudi's naturalistic style. Next, we're going to another of Gaudi's amazing creations, Park Güell. This place is like a fairy tale. It has everything: colorful benches, funny-looking houses, and even a big lizard fountain. And the views, amazing! You can see the whole city all the way to the ocean. It's the perfect place to watch the sunset, eat some ice cream, and relax. Oh, and look for the famous mosaic salamander at the entrance. It's a symbol of the park. You can't miss it. You can't go to Barcelona without walking down La Rambla. This iconic street is a vibrant tapestry of the city's culture and energy. This busy street is the heart of the city, always full of life. From dawn till dusk, you'll find it bustling with locals and tourists alike, all soaking in the lively atmosphere. There are street performers, flower stands, cafes. It's exciting. The street performers are incredibly talented, and the flower stalls add a splash of color and fragrance to your walk. Take your time walking down La Rambla. Enjoy the leisurely pace and soak in the sights and sounds. It's a perfect place for a relaxing stroll. Get some food at the Boqueria market. It's a food lover's dream. The market is filled with fresh produce, local delicacies, and exotic treats that will tantalize your taste buds. And watch out for the living statues. They're really good. These performers are masters of their craft, often surprising passers-by with their lifelike poses and sudden movements. Just a tip: be careful with your things like in any busy tourist place. Keep an eye on your belongings to ensure a worry-free experience. But don't let that stop you. La Rambla is a must-see. It's an essential part of the Barcelona experience, offering a unique blend of history, culture, and modern-day vibrancy. Ready for something different? Let's get lost in the Gothic Quarter. This old neighborhood is like going back in time, with its narrow streets, hidden courtyards, and old buildings. You'll find lots of cool shops, tapas restaurants, and historical places. Check out the Barcelona Cathedral, a beautiful example of Catalan Gothic architecture. And don't forget to look up. You might find hidden gargoyles or balconies full of flowers. For all you football fans, you have to go to Camp Nou. This famous stadium is the home of FC Barcelona, one of the best football clubs in the world. Even if you're not a huge fan, the atmosphere is amazing. You can take a tour, visit the museum, and even walk on the field. Pretty cool, huh? Imagine the cheering fans, the smell of the grass, the history of the place. It's awesome. So, there you have it. My quick tour of Barcelona, from Gaudi's buildings, which are truly a marvel of architecture, to the busy streets of La Rambla, where the energy is palpable and the street performers are always entertaining. I hope you enjoyed this little look at Catalan culture, from the traditional dances that tell stories of the past, to the delicious tapas that bring people together. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more travel videos, with great music, of course. Wink. There's so much more to explore and share. Tell me in the comments what your favorite part of Barcelona was, whether it was the food, the architecture, or the vibrant street life, or if you have any questions about visiting. I'm here to help you plan your perfect trip, and check out my other videos for more travel ideas. See you later. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.